My name is Betty Goodrow, and I am a post-polio survivor person. I came here because I had polio when I was 18 months old, and in the last 2 weeks I had 2 really serious falls. One, I broke my nose, fell face forward. So what I'm looking for is balance, and so that I'm not uncomfortable walking. I broke my legs 3 times, this right leg. One time was down in a cavern like that, crawled down the stream, and I broke it at the femur, and I had to crawl for 3.5 hours to get out of there. And I did, but ever since then I've been nervous about walking, and I've been using a crutch more, and I don't need the crutch, but I'm not comfortable with my balance, so that's why I'm using it. So I found this amazing brace that online. I was reading about it, and I'm so excited to have it. It feels amazing. But here I'm actually just using these for balance. I'm not leaning on them.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, this is you're only wearing it about maybe an hour.
Yeah.
So what's your experience with balance after 1 hour?
After 1 hour, instead of being back and forth like this when I walk, I'm going forward and backwards like this when I walk, which is what gait, I figure that's what that is. I've never felt the motion of going back and hitting the floor first with my heel. I've never felt that till I got this brace on. And it's exciting. It's exciting to think of what it's going to be. I'm excited. I don't know.
Now, with post-polio syndrome, a lot of patients have weak quadriceps or quadriceps that do not work at all.
Right.
Which is the case with you. And tell us how you're able to control your knee now.
So now I can actually stand up there on both feet, lean forward like you're supposed to do when you stand, and it's not tiring. Before that, I would go over to this side and put all my weight on my left side. And I've had a hip replacement, and it's getting worn out again for the 2nd time. So this is going to be, it's a whole new way of moving my body. You know, I go forward and back now instead of side to side.
And you feel good stability and control standing?
I do. I can stand up and just stand there. And I'm not tired. I mean, I can feel that there's not the stress on this side of my body. I'm standing straight over here, like you're supposed to, like, you know, the picture of what it's supposed to look like. I don't know, it's so new. But it's going to be amazing.
Well, that's great. We wish you continued success in the future.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for doing this. I appreciate it so much.
You're very welcome.